Hello everyone, welcome to African Note Food. I hope everybody is well. Today we have a special curry powder, homemade curry powder for you guys. So we have all our ingredients here. So first we have coriander seed, 2 teaspoons, and then we have mustard seed, 2 teaspoons, and we have fennel seed, 1 teaspoon, and we have cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons, and then we have clove, 1 teaspoon, and here we have hot chili peppers, dry. We have about 4 pieces, and here we have 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder here, and then we have curry seeds here, curry leaves that we have here. So we are going to show you how we're going to make it. So here I have my pan here. Have put in my heat on a medium heat. I'm going to toast all my seeds except the curry leaves and the chili peppers. So we're going to toast all this together here. Okay. Yeah. So we're going to toast it until it starts to smell nice. Yeah, so then we can start doing our blending. Yeah, so you have to toast it until it starts smelling. It gives you all the perfume that you need. Yeah, don't burn it. Do not burn it at all. Just, you know, toast it for about, let's say 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Yeah, now I can smell it. I can smell it. It smells so beautiful. It smells really good. Yeah, so for the curry powder, when you're doing it, don't do too much. The reason being is the flavor. When you do too much, it goes off after a while. So when you do a small bit that you need, you have all the flavor that you need. Yeah, so don't do too much. Okay, so that's done now. We are going to blend it. So I have added everything in my spice blender, coffee blender, if you have. Yeah, here. So now I'm going to add my chili peppers in there, and the curry leaves also in there, and blend them together. So this is how it looks like after blending. It smells so good, very nice. And also when you toast your spices, please make sure you leave it to cool down first before you start blending. Yeah, okay. So now we're going to add our turmeric powder here. And mix it together. So the turmeric will give the color of the curry, and I think also you have health benefit as well. They all have health benefit. So use curry powder, make yourself so you know what you're putting in there. And also if you don't have the seeds, if you have the powder one, you can use it as well. Yeah, so this is it. Look at that, isn't it beautiful? Look at this, look at that. It's very beautiful. So what you do now, make sure you have a container that is airtight. Yeah, you put it in and you close it. Yeah, put everything in there like that. Is it? You close it, and there you go. You have your curry powder, homemade by yourself. You know what's in there. Yeah? Go and try this. Let me know. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and we do like all your comments. So we'll see you soon. Bye bye.